Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone. Charge it to at least 50% and insert the nano SIM and optional micro SD so nothing interrupts setup. Once done, press and hold power to boot. Choose your language and connect to Wi-Fi so downloads won't use cellular data. Make sure to accept core permissions for setup assistance. Sign in with your Google account when prompted to restore apps and settings. This gets you past the lock screen and into the core Android setup quickly and reliably. Once you're inside, restore a backup or use a direct transfer cable to move apps and photos. This saves time versus redownloading. Next, go to Settings Right Arrow System, Right Arrow Advanced Right Arrow System Update, and install any firmware or security patches. Updates often fix carrier issues and camera improvements. Make sure to set up a PIN or fingerprint, configure gesture navigation, and enable adaptive battery to lengthen runtime. Also review app permissions and disable unnecessary. You finish by optimizing settings. Pick the display refresh rate that balances smoothness and battery life, and enable battery saver rules as needed. Update all Play Store apps, check camera and network functionality, then perform a final Google backup so settings are safe. If the phone acts unstable, try wiping the cache partition from recovery mode first. If issues persist, a factory reset resolves software corruption. Keep this troubleshooting tip handy. It fixes most startup or performance failures without hardware repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.